Yeah, hi friends, welcome to Techie Study. In this series, we are going to discuss about T-SQL. Let's go ahead and check how to install and connect to SQL Server using SSMS. So SQL Server Management Studio is a client tool that can be used to write execute SQL queries to connect SQL Server. So SQL, so we can see the once installed, we can see the click start and select all programs or apps. We can see whatever version we have installed in our desktop. If you will select that, it will open the SSMS. So select the database engine and server type to other options that you will see here: analytical services, reporting services, integration services. Let me show you that. So once the developer is installed the SQL Server SSMS, so they developers can connect to the database server for developer missions like this. So let me show you how to install, how to download the SSMS. So first we can search for download SSMS 2019, whatever version you have needed, you can install that. Click on it. So here we can see the download SQL Server, right? Otherwise here also you can see the download. Once you click, it will download the setup file. So once it is downloaded, you can see this setup file. It's downloading. So this one, okay. Here we need to double click on it. Just it will show the install and select the accept and rules. Accept it. Then click on install. It will automatically install. No need to select anything. Just next, install it and close it. Once this is installed, then you need to install Express Edition. One more setup file you need to download and install. Then only you can connect it from local. Otherwise, we can connect whatever this one Azure SQL Server. Those details if we have, we can connect through the SSMS. We don't. If we need to connect local database, we need to insert. We need to download Express Edition download. So search for SQL Express download. Whatever version you require, click on it. So for now I am going with 2019. So here Express Edition download, click on it. Either if you want developer edition, you can click on developer edition. So this is a licensed version. So Express Edition is free. So I have installed this one, download edition. If we will download, we can see this setup file. Once it is installed, once it is downloaded, then you can click on it. As usual, same. Click on yes and next. Okay, select on basic and select next. It will install. So I have installed already, no need to install. So let me close it. So let me open SSMS. See, either way, here if you will search the SSMS, otherwise if you will go to all programs or all apps, here we can see whatever installed apps we can see here. So here if you will see SQL Server in Tools 2019. See, here I have installed the SQL Server Management Studio. And Express Edition 2022 I have installed. Okay. So let me open SSMS. So if you want integration services, those also we need to install separately. So previous versions, lower versions, automatically all the services it's coming automatically. Now we need to install separately. Even Visual Studio also we need to add extensions manually once installed the Visual Studio. That is the difference between lower versions and higher versions. So here I have installed database engine. See, this is the server name I have given, connect. It will connect. So what are the options we have? Database engine, analytical services. We will see here we don't have analytical service, hence it is not connecting. It's taking time, it will give the error. Okay, and reporting services also we don't have. Okay, and so integration services. In integration services we call as MSDB deployment. For that purpose we will use this, and Azure SSIS integration runtime. As you know, we will run the SSIS packages through SSIS integration runtime. We will deploy the packages in Studio. Those packages we will use it in Azure Data Factory. These are the differences between server type. Okay, here authentication. If you will see here, SQL authentication, Microsoft Entra MFA, Microsoft Entra password, Microsoft Entra integrated. So SQL Server integration authentication, we will use the login password whatever we have in Azure SQL Server. So you enter MFA Microsoft authentication. If we will enter the username here, email ID, it will automatically divert it to the Microsoft Authenticator app. You need to approve it, then automatically it will connect. So same username and password enter, and integrated also same, it will connect automatically. Server principal, whatever we have principal, those username passwords we need to use. So managed identity. So user, if we will create user managed identity, if we will give the permissions for the user, particular user or IP, which that email, if we will connect it, automatically it will connect. So this is default, Entra default. If we will use permissions we have with your username, if we will use that, automatically it will connect. These are the differences between how to connect SQL Server types. Okay, this is the session. So how to install, we have saw that how to download the setup files, how to install. It's the basic things we need to practice T-SQL. Thank you so much. If you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.